Namaste everybody. Welcome to Udaya's classroom. In today's class, we are going to see the accounting procedure sum. Come, let's get started with the class. Accounting procedures. State the nature of account, personal, real or nominal account, and show which will be debited and which will be credited. So in this sum, what we have to do? We have to identify the nature of account and which element to be debited and credited. That is what we are going to find out in this sum. So in this sum, we have near about 9 elements. Let's see one by one. Rent received, machinery purchased, goods purchased, capital introduced, rent paid, interest received, building sold, discount allowed, goods sold. So first we have written all the accounts and we have to find out nature of accounts, right? So for that I have opened one column and we need to find which account to be debited and which to be credited. So for that one column we have opened here. So first, rent received. So it is a rent received account. Machinery purchased. So machinery account. Goods purchased. So goods purchased means always we will not be writing as goods. Wherever goods is coming, we will be writing as purchases account only. Other than goods, if we have purchased machinery or any other furniture, we will be writing machinery or furniture, whatever it is. But goods alone, we will not be writing as goods. It is always purchases account. So if it is sales, goods sold means we will be writing sales. We will not be writing goods. Okay. And next is capital introduced, capital account, rent paid account, interest received, so interest received account, building sold, building account, which means building sold, discount allowed, so discount allowed account, goods sold. I have told you here itself, right? So goods sold, we will not be writing as goods, it is a sales. Purchases means goods purchases means purchases, goods sold means sales account. That's all. So all the elements we have written here. Now let's find out the nature of accounts first. Okay, rent received account. Rent received account coming under which nature of account, whether it is a personal account, real account or nominal account. It is not related to person, so it is not personal account also. It is not related to asset, so it is not real account also. So nominal account. Nature of account is nominal account. What is the rule of nominal account? Debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. So it is a expenses, it is not an expenses. We have received rent, so it is credit all incomes and gains. So we have to credit. It should be credited. Alright. Next is machinery account. So machinery account related to personal, real or nominal. Related to assets, so it is a real account. So nature of account or type of account is real account. So we have written real account. What is the rule of real account? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Here we have purchased. So machinery coming inside. Debit what comes in. So debited. Next account is purchases account. Goods purchased. If we purchase goods, we will be doing expenses, right? So it is not a personal or real account. It is an expenses. So it is nominal type of account. So if we purchase, we are doing expenses. So what we have to do here? Debit all expenses and losses. So expenses we are debiting here. And next is capital account. Capital account, it is related to personal, real or nominal. We have to find out. So capital, who will be investing capital? Person only investing in the business. So a person will be investing in the business, right? So a person will be investing in the business as cash. It will be termed as capital, right? He is a natural person and the business is artificial person. So two persons are involved in this. So it is a personal account. It is the nature of account is personal. So whether the capital should be debited or credited when the natural person investing in the business as capital, it should be credited. It should be credited. Why it should be credited? For an organization, it is an income. So we have to credit. And next is rent paid account. Rent paid means we have done an expenses, right? So the nature of account is nominal type, and we have to debit or credit when we pay. Debit all expenses and losses, right? So it's an expenses. So we have to debit. Then sixth one is interest received account. We have received interest. So it is nominal type of account. What is the rule? Debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. So we have to credit. And next is building account. Building account means asset account. So immediately we can write real account. But we have to see the rule here. What is the rule? Rule of real account? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out, right? So here we have to concentrate. Building sold, which means building went out. We did not purchase building, right? So debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So the building is going out. So we have to credit. Hope you are clear with this. Okay. And the next is discount allowed account, which means we have allowed discount. So for the company, it would be an expenses, right? So it is nominal account. The nature or type of account is nominal. So what we have to do? Debit all expenses and losses. So we have to debit here. At last we have sales account. So if we do sales in out of our sales operation, we will be generating income for our company, right? So it is nominal account. The nature of account is nominal account. Debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. So out of sales, we will be generating incomes and gains only. So we have to credit here. Alright. So that's all. So now you understood to identify the accounts and nature of accounts. The particular element belongs to what nature, and then the particular nature of account to be debited or credited. You understood now under the topic accounting procedures. With this understanding, we will end up the class today. I'll meet you with the new topic. Until then, it's bye from Udaya.